Hello guys, good morning everyone. So today I was how to say, Lemna Mendotar Podagis. I have Lemna. What is Lemna in English? Iniwan ko yung daughter ko, si Bunso, doon sa daycare center. So today, as you can see, that the weather is very nice. The sun is shining today, and I can see some flowers who is blooming today. In some of the houses I have seen already flowers, and that means that the spring is on its way. So as you can see that there is no snow now. All the snow was melt away. So yeah, excited. I'm excited for this spring, for the spring, guys. As you know, spring is very beautiful. The flowers will bloom. All the flowers will bloom. So it will be an exciting time now in spring, and it will be a different content you can see in my blog, in my upcoming vlog. So abangan nyo guys ang aking mga upcoming na vlog video. Because the flowers, the beautiful flowers in Sweden will coming soon. The tulips, and in our place, and I have planted so much tulips already, and they are start to come now, as I have seen in the garden, in our garden, that the tulips is started to grow. Maybe I can take video here. So beautiful with different flowers. So now I am excited because I had buy driving slowly. So yeah, that's all for today, and have a nice day everyone, and hope all you guys is well, doing well and in good health. And thank you so much for watching my previous vlog. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. So yeah, bye bye for now. See you guys in my next video. Bye. So yeah, abangan nyo ang aking mga susunod na mga vlog, because it will be beautiful. Because I have my drone now. I just got my drone. I had buy also a nice camera. So, and before that I have study from the other vlogger. So I have learned some from them. So then yeah, vlogging is my passion talaga. I try to stop and not continue, but I really love vlogging, doing vlog. I really love editing. I really love, yeah, because my plan now is to take video in the nature in Sweden. So hope you guys will continue watch my videos, and thank you so much everyone who have subscribed to my channel. And yeah, thank you so much, and please subscribe to those who have not subscribed yet, and click the notification bell so you will be notified if I have new video uploaded. So that's all for today guys, because I am driving, I cannot take video so long. So thank you for today, and hope everyone is doing well, and take care everyone, take care everybody. Bye bye, because I am home now. Tapos na ito. Atin na may ano muna. Yeah. Let's hang this outside so it will be dry. So ganito lang kami maglaba dito sa Sweden. Machine ang gamit namin. Ta-da! It's a nice weather today. Yeah. Ayan. Sobrang init. So, ayan. Dito tayo sa labas mag hi-hi ng mga labahin ng ating labahan. Wow! Some of my flowers is already growing. They are coming. So ayan yung aking garden. May mga ano yan, may mga tanim na bulaklak. Iba't ibang bulaklak. So yan po ang aking ipapakita sa inyo guys soon. Yes. Tapos na tayo mag-hi-hi. Ayan guys, yan. Itong mga tulips yan. Ayan. Unti-unti na silang umusbong. Yan. Mga tulips ko yan na tanim. Bulaklak. Kasi yan, ang dami. Itong mga to ay tinanim ko last 2 autumn na yata ang nakalipas. Ayan sila. Ayan, oh, ang dami. Habang tumatagal siya guys, is dumadami yung mga niya. Dumadami yung tumutubo na tumutubo. Ayan, isang piraso lang na look. Isang piraso lang na liso ang tinanim ko niyan. Tapos ngayon, after 2 years, padami ng padami yung mga niya. Yung mga dati isa lang yan. Tapos ngayon, ang dami na nilang ano bang tawag niya, noy? Sanga? Yung stem. Ayan, dumami sila. Tapos, meron akong tinanim last November. Yun. Yung mga tinanim ko nung November is isa lang piraso lang ang lumalabas. Ganyan. Ganyan. Yan. 2 piraso or 1 piraso lang. So, kagandahan nito guys, itong mga tulips na to is siya. Isang bisis ka lang magtanim yan. Tapos, yan, na sila. hindi ka na magtatanim ulit kasi taong-taon ay lumalabas sila na ganyan. Taon-taon ay ano sila, tumutubo. So pag sa winter is tulog lang sila, dyan lang sila sa lupa, hindi mo na sila huhukayin kasi safe sila sa lupa. So kaya pag ganitong panahon na wala ng snow, wala nang, meron pa ako dito sa bandang kabila, tapos meron akong tinanim dito kaunti, pero parang wala pa akong nakikita na lumalabas. Pero may isa akong puno ng bulaklak, yan siya na tinanim dyan. Ito siya, oh. So bali inalis ko lang yung lumang ano niya, katawan, para merong bagong uusbong na naman. So ayan, dito rin may mga tulpaner din ako dito. Ayan sila, unti-unti na naman silang tumutubo. Ayan, oh. Ayan pa si tulpaner. Ayan. So yan po ang aking mga halaman na hinihintay ko na tumutubo nitong springtime. Tapos dito naman, yung mga tanim ko dito ay mga summer flower naman siya. Ayan, mamumulaklak yan siya. Kaunti pa lang yung nagiging dito, nabubuhay. Sana ay okay lang sila. Sana ay naman sila. Ayan, hindi ko pa nalinisan, hindi ko pa ito naalis. Ito luma, ito na puno. Ay, kailangan ko itong alisin, itong mga dahon para tumubo ng bago. So maglaan tayo ng time para dyan. Ayan, ang ganda, oh. Ganda ng mga kulay. Ang dami kong trabaho na naman na naghihintay sa akin. Ang daming lilinisin dito sa labas. Pero carry lang yan siguro. Huwag masyadong ma-stress.